So yeah, we're going a bit further into the line today. This is 006. And that's the Pharos Lighthouse. That's off the Stargate. I'm just going to go and check out Fleetwood Ferry. It's not too far away. So this is the Heritage Tram stop, and there is the lighthouse. It's Pharos Lighthouse. Now, you don't get a lot of heritage trams up here. I think they only run during like special timetables and that, but yeah, that is where they stop. So yeah, we've done it. This is Fleetwood, this is the ferry. You get the ferry up there to Knot End. It's not too far. Nice little journey. I don't know if it would be in this wind, but not the longest journey really to Knot End. See a big ship up there as well. Big cargo ship. Well, it looks like one. And we are sure we're going to see Fleetwood Ferry, the tram stop. So this is Fleetwood Ferry. This is the terminus for the trams. So yeah, we have got all the way up to Fleetwood Ferry. All the way up from London Street. Yeah, just gonna wait for a tram here. Just catch it coming in and then film it go out. So yeah, there's just two buses just terminating. I think they do terminate at Fleetwood Ferry. So as we wait for the tram, we'll just have a look at these buses. Now, sorry about the little camera angle here, guys. We will get. Alright, here it is. This is tram 009. Waiting to Fleetwood Ferry to terminate. Now I'll go over there and film this from the other little bit. That's going to change its destination more for Stargate. We're just going to cross. Get a picture of this. There goes one. That's the bus. The other one will be coming out as well. There's two buses there, as I've just shown you. I think I'm best crossing over. Or staying on this side. Nah, I don't know. I'll stay on this side. Here it is. Excuse the wind, guys, because it is quite bad up here. I am literally on a so yeah. This is 009 on the Stargate, as they all do in this direction. And a lovely little service vehicle in the middle as well. See, I'm going to get walking back now. Borrowed time. My family have come here shopping, so I am on borrowed time. Better get walking back. That is bound for Stargate. It'll pass the lighthouse and yeah, it'll continue its journey to Stargate. There is the greatest Blackpool tram of all time. It's a service vehicle, it's just doing its rounds. Must just be doing line inspections and that, I guess. Here's another tram. Fleetwood Ferry. Street, we are going to keep walking back. Well, I've never seen one of these before. Because I have never seen one of them before. Here is another tram. And the BMW Max 5. It'll change your sides while we're at it as well. This is going to be the last tram. This is the last one. Another little Palladium bus there on number 14. Another day on the tramway, this time at Fisherman's Walk. This was the first tram stop I actually got to. Around here. But I can't see anything yet. This is where it becomes a proper tram line from here. And from there it goes onto the road. This is the stop down from London Street. So yeah, that way is towards Fleetwood Ferry and that way is towards Stargate. I feel like I've been waiting about 20 minutes for this tram. Yeah, it's probably not even been that long. It's bound for Fleetwood Ferry. Just wait till it stops. This is a tram 006. 006 bound for Fleetwood Ferry. And taking a very short stop here in 50 minutes walk. Tram 006. Not stopping for long, that one. The other one will be coming back in a minute. It's going to be off out shortly. This one's stopping a little bit longer than they usually do. Off goes the 008. Gonna pass it like Fiat and Gasly. It's 008. Rocketing down to Stargate. So 2019 Australian Grand Prix was on before. Australian Grand Prix. Daniel Ricciardo retiring, but the winner being no other than Valtteri Bottas. James must not have turned up to Australia, is my guess. Yeah, Valtteri Bottas won. Lewis Hamilton second, 22 seconds behind. With Danny Kvyat finishing above Pierre Gasly. Mantle from the torpedo, King Kvyat is back in the business. And anyway, from Fisherman's Walk, on that note, no frustration, but 390 out.